ABC and PQR. So BC upon QR will be equal to AB upon PQ, right? Because ratio of the corresponding sides. So here we can write AB upon PQ now. Now about AM and PN, right? Okay. Now consider the two triangles ABM and PQN. ABM and PQN. Okay. What happens in that? These two angles are congruent, B and Q, because ABC is similar to PQR, therefore corresponding angles are congruent, and angle M is congruent to N. Why? 90 degrees both. So ABM similar to PQN by what? AA test, right? Now when these two are similar, then the ratio of the sides will also be equal. Therefore AB upon PQ will be equal to AM upon PN, right? That's what we want. So instead of AM upon PN, write there AB upon PQ. So what happens now? Here also AB upon PQ, here also AB upon PQ. That is equals to AB upon PQ the whole square. That's what our statement is. Next, if a line is drawn parallel to one side of a triangle to intersect the other two sides or in distinct points, then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio. So that is right. Here PQ is parallel to BC, that is drawn. Now what is given? Now AP upon PB, AP upon PB will be equal to AQ upon QC. Why? Similarity of triangles, and that's what is asked. Then the other two sides are divided in the same ratio, means these two ratios are same. So that's the answer, true. Next is all similar figures are congruent. So that is false. Why? See this. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.